This is a demonstration video for a NuTone IM5006 Master Station. It's not an IMA. Serial number 212-05651. This IM5006 Master Station has been completely rebuilt. The faceplate has been re-whitened, as have all of the control buttons. It is nearly back to its original white color, just like when it was new. The faceplate is clean. The only defect in the faceplate is a very small scratch down here by the microphone input grill. It's right here at the bottom. It's about 3/4 of an inch long. It's not terribly obvious unless you're actually looking for it. This unit is fully functional. I've set the clock. We can play the radio. We turn the AM on.
I was going to shoot me. I was getting ready to die.
Presets work.
Out there. Go. There's and mosaic.
This is
FM.
The checkpoints weren't at the...
The auxiliary inputs work. This is phono as an auxiliary music source. I have it connected to my phone. The CD tape input works. We'll pause that. The cassette player plays correctly. Play. It's at the beginning of the tape. Pause. Auto direction works. It's at the end of the other side. It does work. Stop, fast forward. Play. Direction change. Rewind. And stop. Eject. You don't get the Van Halen tape. Intercom works correctly. We have a standard bench setup for testing. We have the Master Station powered up here. I have two 5-inch inside remote speakers connected to it. We have the door speaker over there at the end of the workbench, and I have a chime module hooked up to it. This is a bench chime module. It's not included with the Master Station. It's to show that the chime input works, so we'll activate that single note. That works correctly. We can do an all call to the remotes. The feedback is because the speakers are all close to each other. We can do door talk. That works correctly. Monitor works. It's going to be loud. Private works. Prevents calls from coming into the master, which is what the two beeps are for. Selective call works. The two remote speakers are number 7 and number 18. We'll do number 7. Connects correctly. We'll do 18. Also connects correctly. Talk. That works properly. Remote station, door talk. That worked correctly. All call. That works correctly. I can call the master. Call the other remote. Monitor works. Same thing for this one. Door. All call. Monitor. Private works. Oops, wrong one. Call the master. Call the other remote. Then end call. It's a fully functional properly working NuTone IM5006. It's probably the second nicest one you ever find, because the other one I have listed in this playlist is probably as nice. So maybe they're equally nice. I don't know. There'll be a banner right here. It shows you how to subscribe. Go to our YouTube homepage, click on the bell or on the wheel, put in your email address, and every time we post a new video, you'll get a notification and you can watch it. It's a good way to keep on top of new items that are being submitted to this playlist. These are items that are for sale. If you're interested in any of these items, you can contact me. Their information for contact is in this video's description. That's all for today.